I'm setting up a space for indoor sowing. I've just done my winter sowing, and I said that I couldn't be bothered with sowing indoors. You need to set up lights and stuff, and then you have to babysit the plants, and then you have to repot them and prick out if you have too many seeds. Then you have to repot them, then you have to harden them off. But then I had a look at the seed website, and I found so many exotic looking perennials that I've never been able to get hold of in any of the nurseries that I have close by. So the choice is just too tempting, and it's an initial cost to set things up, and seeds are not cheap, but hopefully you can use a bag several years. And this is an experiment, as always. Everything is new to me. What I'm doing here is I'm mixing sowing mix with perlite and vermiculite. The vermiculite is supposed to keep the soil moist, and the perlite is for air circulation and to protect from too sharp light. So I bought this today at my local garden store. I got a lot of help and advice from a wonderful woman there. And my goal is that this should be look so cheap and simple that hopefully you too will give it a try. I have thought about doing this for many years, but I've always came to the conclusion that it's just too much work. But so my goal is that this is the simplest, cheapest setup that I could make. The plastic tray comes with a mat that soaks up. You pour water in the tray below, and then the mat soaks moisture up, so it's self-watering for quite a long time. You can pour in 3 liters of water in the bottom, and so you shouldn't need to watch the moisture in the soil water too much. That's a plastic lid, of course. I didn't see any ventilation holes in it. Maybe I will put some in if I think I need it. Maybe I will also put out my fan. Now watching this afterwards, I remember that maybe I should put out a fan. I have just a regular table fan somewhere in the basement, so I will just put it out. I'm not sowing today. That will come with when my seeds arrive. I have made a new order of seeds. So when I actually put the seeds in, I will show you all the nice varieties that I've found. So as I said, new exotic varieties that I've never seen before. It will be so fun if they germinate, and I will be able to put them out in the garden. They will be showstoppers for sure. No one else will have them. That's one of the big allures with this home sowing thing. As you can see in the right of the picture, I've put up a lamp just to see what I'm doing. It's actually for reading notes, to attach it to a note where you put notes. Okay, so now I've also installed the lights. The lights cost about $100, I think. Yes, I have changed the angle of the front one now, so that it's level. I think this will be more than enough light. Yeah, so this is my setup, and this is my new workbench as well. And as I said, I will keep you posted when the seeds arrive. And I will probably not sow them until late February, early March. I will read the bags, of course. I've bought about 20 varieties, so that they will be ready to pot on and harden off and plant out after the risk of frost is gone, sometime in mid to late April. That's the plan. So hope to see you again when the seeds arrive. They will be really exciting, I can promise you that. Bye for now.